Hello, welcome back again. So in this class we will be learning what are alignments in HTML. So alignment is very important. Like alignments are used to place documents whether in the left, center or right. That means it will determine where you want to place your documents. So like it can be a table, images, text files, a header, headings, paragraph and so on. So in HTML we have basically three different types of alignments. One is left align, another one is center align, after that the third one is right align. So by default everything is left align. That means whatever we write inside our HTML documents, if we do not specify its alignments, it will start from left and then when it will come down to left again and then it will go on. To write our alignments, let's just use this is left align. Let's just use heading 1. This is center align. After that, heading 1. This is right align. So for now, let's for example, let us write like this. So whenever you do it in your real life project, it is not it does not mean that you have to write this is left align, right align and so on. It can be any contents you wish. So let's save this one. File, save as. After that I will save as alignments.html. I will save it in my folder. So let's go back to our browser. I have written 3 headings. This is left align, center align, right align. Now the first thing is, since we did not tell anything to our HTML deck that I wanted to display it in the center, at the right and so on, so by default everything starts from left. So for left align we do not have to write anything, or we do not have to say anything. Now to place this one at the center of our browser, let's go back to our notepad and then here inside your heading tag let's write align is equal to center. Right, so let's save this one. Let's go back. After that let's refresh it. No, I've here align is equal to center. So this is left align, this is center align. Now if you want this one to appear at the right side of your browser, let's go back here, inside here, align is equal to right. So let's put this one in. Let's save it, let's go back and then refresh it. So see, left align we do not have to tell our HTML deck what to do. By default it will appear at the left. Now for center align we have to use the deck align is equal to center. For right align is equal to right. So that's how we can do alignments. So for in this example I have shown you with headings, heading 1, but you can do that alignment with any heading sizes, or it can be done with a table, it can be done with an image, it can be done with an audio, or it can be done with a video tag. So for example, let's write a small paragraph B. So let's for example, this is a small paragraph. So let's close our paragraph. So let's save it. Let's go back here and then refresh it. So out here I have the small paragraph here. So what if you want to appear at the center? So it's simple, like how we did it here. Align is equal to center. So let's go back here. If we refresh it, it will appear at the center of our browser. Again, let me show you one example. Let's say we have a small paragraph. This is another paragraph. Okay, now again, if you want to display it at the center, another way we can do is we have to write center. After, let's close this one here, CANTER. So for center text we can write this way also, instead of using align is equal to center. But whenever you write the alignment, make sure that you write under the text. If you are doing with image, you have to do it inside that image tag, or if you are doing it inside a paragraph, make sure that you are doing it inside a paragraph. So most of the these things it can be performed using CSS, but for the time being, these are some of the inline CSS, so you can use it before we go on to learn CSS. So for center text you can use like this. So let's go back here, so it will appear again at the center of our browser. So that's all. Use alignments in HTML. So thank you so much. See you in the next class.